so once you're in the ELAN interface, it's real simple to control your DSC or any security system here. So you just tap on the security system. You go down to your security system partition here. Right now it shows as disarmed. It shows all zones ready, no faults. If a door window was open, it would actually show that you do have a system fault. So it is ready to arm. So what we're going to do is actually go over to the Away tab, and if you put in the code, it will actually start showing. So I did put that input the code on a different panel here, but you can see now that it does say arming. So what that will take the normal 30 seconds to arm. While we're doing that, waiting for that to show up, what you can do is there's various different things. The IT100 does not support individual zone bypassing, but if it did, it would show up on this tab. From there, you can actually go to this graph and see each zone and how it, the state of it. So you can actually see that at the top and at what time. So at the top, you can see that it was armed from all these, from different times. So until about approximately, if you can go right there. So until approximately about 8:30 this morning, 8:26 to be exact, it was armed. It shows when different zones were faulted, meaning the door was opened, and you can just scroll across here. You can actually zoom in using pinch to zoom, or you can scroll across using the sliders at the bottom. You can zoom out, zoom in, scroll across, etc. from here. So it's really nifty and handy to be able to see hands-on immediately what your the status of each zone is. So if we go back over to here, you can now see that it is armed. You can see that all zones are ready and no system faults as well. So what we can do here now is if we want to disarm it, you would just go over to the disarm tab, and we'll do that here. So now it is ready to arm. So if you actually just change, it shows ready to arm. So if you wanted to see what that does, if you open a door, so we're going to go and open a door here and unlock that. So it shows zone status, the front door is faulted. So if you opened up any other zones, it also shows up almost immediately, as you could see there.